Meditation, a simple yet profound practice, holds the power to transform lives. It's a journey that begins within, guiding us to uncover the oasis of peace and tranquility that resides in the core of our being. Meditation is not a quick fix or a magic pill, but a practice that has stood the test of time, passed down through centuries, transcending cultures and religious boundaries. The beauty of meditation lies in its simplicity. It requires no special equipment, just an open mind and a few moments of your day. Now let's delve into the amazing benefits of meditation. Firstly, meditation is a potent antidote to stress. In our fast-paced world, stress is a constant companion for many. But through meditation, we can learn to manage stress effectively, leading to greater peace and improved mental health. Secondly, meditation helps to enhance our concentration. Whether it's a complex task at work, studying for an exam, or simply trying to focus on a good book, meditation can help to fine-tune our focus, making us more productive and efficient in all areas of life. Thirdly, meditation fosters creativity. It allows our minds to quieten, creating a fertile ground for innovative ideas and solutions to sprout. It enables us to think outside the box, see things from different perspectives, and unlock our true creative potential. Meditation cultivates mindfulness, a heightened sense of awareness of the present moment. It teaches us to live in the now, to fully experience each moment as it unfolds, free from the shackles of past regrets or future anxieties. This mindfulness leads to a deeper appreciation of life, fostering a sense of contentment and happiness. By embracing the art of meditation, you invite peace, clarity, and mindfulness into your life. It's like opening a door to a world of inner calm and serenity, a world that exists within each and every one of us. Remember, the journey of meditation is not about reaching a destination, but about discovering the path, appreciating the journey, and growing along the way. Before you immerse in the world of meditation, it's vital to set the right environment. Finding a peaceful space where you can be alone and undisturbed is your first step. This could be a quiet room in your home, a serene outdoor spot, or even a dedicated meditation corner. Next, make yourself comfortable. Whether you choose to sit on a cushion, a chair, or directly on the floor, keep your back straight and plant your feet firmly on the ground. This posture promotes alertness and helps maintain focus during your meditation. As you settle in, begin to prepare your mind. Close your eyes and take a deep, cleansing breath. Let go of any lingering concerns or distractions from the day. Focus your attention inward, centering yourself in the present moment. With the right environment and mindset, you are ready to embark on your meditation journey. Breathing is not just an act of survival, it's a tool to achieve mindfulness. Our breath is our constant companion, an intimate friend that accompanies us from the moment of our first cry to our final sigh. But how often do we truly pay attention to it? The art of mindful breathing is about turning our focus inward and observing this companion in its natural rhythm. Start by taking a comfortable seat, spine straight, feet grounded. Let your eyes gently close and allow yourself to turn inward. Begin observing your breath without trying to change it. Notice the sensation of air entering your nostrils, traveling down your windpipe, and expanding your lungs. There's a brief pause, a moment of stillness before your body releases that breath, and the air travels back up and out into the world. This cycle of breath, this ebb and flow, is like the rhythmic dance of life itself. As you sit with your breath, you might notice that your mind begins to wander. That's perfectly okay. Just gently guide your attention back to your breath. It's this returning again and again that really builds our mindfulness muscle. Now let's go a step further. As you inhale, silently say to yourself, "I am breathing in." As you exhale, silently say, "I am breathing out." This simple mantra anchors your mind to your breath, giving it something tangible to hold on to. As you continue this practice, you might notice a shift, a quieting of the mind. This is the power of mindful breathing. It's a bridge that connects our mind, body, and spirit, anchoring us in the present moment. It's a tool that we can use anytime, anywhere to bring about a sense of calm and focus. So remember, each breath you take is an opportunity to be present, to be mindful. It's a reminder that you are here, you are alive, and you are participating in the incredible dance of life. Through mindful breathing, you get a step closer to a calm and focused mind. Relaxation and awareness, the two pillars of meditation, take you deeper into the practice. As you settle into your stillness, begin to soften. Feel the muscles in your face slacken, the tension in your neck and shoulders melt away. Imagine a wave of tranquility washing over your body, from the crown of your head, down your spine, all the way to the soles of your feet. Every muscle, every tendon, every cell in your body is bathed in this soothing wave, releasing any tension it carries. Now bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the cool air as it enters your nostrils, the subtle shift in your chest as your lungs fill, and the warmth of the air as you exhale. Notice the rhythm, the rise and fall, the ebb and flow of your breath. Like the gentle waves lapping at the shore, your breath is a constant, reliable presence. It's your anchor in this moment. With each breath, allow your awareness to expand. You're not only a being in this room, in this moment, but also a part of the vast, interconnected web of life. You're the air you breathe, the floor beneath you, the sounds around you. You're the thoughts that pass through your mind, the emotions that ebb and flow in your heart. And if your mind wanders, that's okay. It's part of the process. When you notice you've drifted away, gently bring your attention back to your breath, back to this moment. There's no need to judge or criticize. Simply observe, accept, and return. This dance between relaxation and awareness, between being and observing, is the heart of meditation. It's a journey inward, a journey of discovery. It's about coming home to yourself, to your body, to this moment, over and over again. As you delve deeper into relaxation and awareness, you begin to experience the true essence of meditation. In the chaos of life, meditation helps you embrace the present moment. But what does that mean? Embracing the present moment is about fully experiencing life as it's happening, instead of being caught up in thoughts about the past or the future. It's about being truly present, right here, right now. When you're meditating, you may notice that your mind starts to wander. You might start thinking about a conversation you had earlier, or maybe you're worrying about something that's happening tomorrow. This is perfectly normal. The mind tends to wander. But the magic of meditation is in recognizing this and gently bringing your focus back to your breath, back to the present moment. So, if you find your thoughts drifting, don't judge or get frustrated. Instead, acknowledge these thoughts and then let them go. Picture them as clouds passing by in the sky. They're there, you see them, but you don't need to hold on to them. Return your attention to your breath, to the sensation of the air coming in and going out. Continue this practice of mindfulness. Stay with your breath. Stay in the present moment. Feel the air fill your lungs, then slowly leave your body. Notice the sensations in your body. Maybe you can feel your heart beating, or perhaps you notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest. As you continue to meditate, you may start to feel a deeper sense of calm and peace. This is the power of the present moment. When we quiet the chatter in our minds, we can truly experience life as it is, not as we think it should be. Remember, meditation is not about achieving a certain state or having a particular experience. It's about being fully present and accepting whatever arises in this moment. By embracing the present moment, you learn to let go of the past and future, experiencing life as it unfolds. As you conclude your meditation practice, carry the sense of mindfulness with you. Start by becoming aware of the space around you, the surface beneath you, the air touching your skin. Let the calm and tranquility you've cultivated during your meditation settle into your being. Feel the harmony between your mind and body and the connection to the world around you. When you're ready, slowly and gently, start to move your fingers and toes. Feel the sensation of movement, how it ripples through your body. Now, keeping your eyes closed, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gradually open your eyes. Welcome back the world around you, but try to maintain the sense of peace and calm you've nurtured. Take a moment to simply be. Feel the presence of the here and now. With regular practice, this intermediate-level guided meditation will help you develop concentration, expand your present moment awareness, and explore new aspects of your mind and body.